Hey guys, this is the next video of rebuilding this Kyosho Inferno. Sorry if it's not going to be in-depth as you hoped, but this is the second part of the series which I was able to record. This is the video and I'll get into it. Currently I am making the motor mounts for it. So here I've got this part here, and I tested this and it's going to line up towards the gear. So these here I drilled. I had to drill another set of holes here. These are the original ones here, so I had to drill these two holes here, in original ones, and the ones I'm going to do here are going to go through towards the motor mounts that I have here, and then I'm going to have to redo these ones because if you see here, I did this one and this one here. It went through the chassis, so I have to still work on this thing. But yeah. So basically what I did here was I used a bench grinder to round off the square angles on the bolt, and I put slits in the top of it with a cutoff wheel to screw it in with a regular screwdriver, and that's what's going to connect to the motor mounts in the engine. So I need a linkage that will attach from here to here. This is the throttle, as you can see, the carburetor. And then these levels here are the brakes. So how it goes is that it has like this little lever thing in here. You see it like that, and then when you push it enough, it'll go against that, which will make it like it's like a brake rotor. So then this does it on the same back here too. So it's got a front and rear brake. It'll do the same thing for that. Yeah, and then the steering's fine. And I need to hook up the electronics and put it somewhere, like right here. And this is where the gas tank goes, and then yeah. Alright, so now this is made. It stays on very nicely. I got this whole thing back together. It looks really nice. So this is going to be the engine I'm going to be using. I'm thinking of using the engine later, but I'm just thinking of doing this one because the other one doesn't have a back plate, so I can't put a starter on it. And also, I don't know how this will go because if you look here, the tire is covering that. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I'm still figuring this thing out. Last thing I have to do is put these the rods going up to here. That's basically it for now. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry I couldn't show the progression a little more. I've had school start and other stuff going on, but that's all I recorded. But I definitely will be getting into more of the progression later on in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.